Hello everyone, let's talk about a solid option for upgrading your Dell server storage. The 4TB 7.2K 12GB SAS HDD, specifically the YXG4K ST4000NM0025 model. This drive is a workhorse designed for reliability and consistent performance in demanding server environments. First off, the 4TB capacity provides a significant boost for servers needing more storage space for applications, databases, or file sharing. The 7.2K RPM spindle speed is a good balance, offering decent data access speeds without generating excessive heat or noise, which is crucial in a server room. The 12GB SAS interface is a key feature, ensuring fast and efficient data transfer rates. SAS is known for its robust performance and error correction capabilities, making it a dependable choice for critical server applications. This drive is designed to keep up with the demands of continuous operation. This particular drive is a 3.5-inch form factor, which is standard for most Dell servers, making it a straightforward replacement or addition to existing systems. Compatibility is always a concern, but the YXG4K part number indicates it's designed to work seamlessly with compatible Dell servers. The fact that these drives are 0 HR verified is a big plus. It means they've been tested and confirmed to be in good working condition before being shipped, reducing the risk of receiving a DOA drive. The included 1-year warranty provides additional peace of mind, protecting against potential failures. While it's a generic branded drive, the ST4000NM0025 model number points to a Seagate Constellation ES.3 drive, known for enterprise-level reliability. These drives are built to handle heavy workloads and are designed for 24/7 operation. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective way to expand your Dell server storage capacity, this 4TB SAS HDD is definitely worth considering. The combination of capacity, speed, and reliability makes it a strong contender for various server applications. Just make sure to verify compatibility with your specific Dell server model before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.